Bishop Kevin Smith was a convicted sex offender.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The controversial former head of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, Dr. Kevin Smith, was a convicted sex offender in Canada. Smith was convicted on the 5th of November 2007 on one count of sexual assault against a 21-year-old man. Evidence heard in court said that following the act, Smith paid the man $200 Canadian. He served 6 months in prison and was given a 2-year discretionary probation period. Several other 10-year probation orders were also imposed on Smith. However, on August 9, 2017, Smith is reported to have failed to comply with the probation order, though the circumstances surrounding this breach are unclear. Smith was born in Glengough, St. Catherine and migrated to Canada in 1993, just 3 months after he started Jamaica College. He is also a past student of Vision International University in California and Mount Olive Bible Institute in Canada. Smith reportedly started his ministry in Canada, married, and later got divorced before establishing himself in Jamaica when he returned in 2011. He also became a member of the International Council of Pentecostal Bishops, which is a religious organization based in Canada. Questions have been raised in recent times about Smith's antecedents since he came to national attention in Jamaica following the alleged sacrificial killing of 2 people at his church in Montego Bay, St. James. There have also been allegations about the nature of Smith's relationship with boys in his church. The police had said that those allegations were being investigated. Smith, who was 39 years old at the time of his death, was to face wounding, gun and murder charges in connection with the alleged sacrificial killings.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!